Hi there, this is another tutorial video by Peter from Snow Sat Portsmouth, and this particular one is the ambient lighting adjustment that you can make through the vehicle menu function. Now as you can see here, we've got the main menu screen open at the moment. If we go into vehicle, you can then see that if you go into settings, you'll then see you get this function that refers to background lighting. And as we go into background lighting, you can see there are then a number of colours that you select that create the ambient lighting within the door cards of the vehicle. And again, just turning around, you can see currently they're on red. Now if we select blue, you'll see that they've now gone blue. But to give you a full rundown, we've got the white, the coral, the yellow, the orange, the red, the blue, the aqua and the lilac. So you can see here we're going through pretty much all of the different variations here in colours. So it's a really easy function to use. It's quite a cool function, and there aren't many cars out there on the market that have such a feature, but it's great for distant driving when you want a more alert ambient lighting on the door cards of the car, or you can have a more soothing lighting should you need it to help you relax as a passenger. So there you go. There's the functions of the ambient lighting on the main Seat entertainment system. Thank you.